Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to be putting together a 20-ton shop press bought from Harbor Freight. It's going to come with this baby box and this big old box. This box was heavy as hell. I had to lift it up upstairs by myself. So if you got two people, I think that's the best way to go. All right, let's unbox it. Let's start with this baby box. Tools required. Got some big bolts. You got the pins, spring, the ring. And the bottle jack. Set that to the side. Directions. So this is the stuff it came with. You got the upper beam, you got the supports, the bar, the middle bar, the two side beams, the ones with the holes all the way is the bottom side. The ones with the two holes on top is the top part. So that's the upright. Then you get your two blocks where your bottle jack sits, your middle beam, your two legs. These are all the nuts and bolts it comes with. Your springs, bolts. All right, let's start assembling her. Here's the directions it comes with. You know, all the warnings and dangers and services and blah, blah, blah. There's that. There's that. And more of that. Yep. All right. These are the tools I will be using. Just the regular tool set. Cornwells. You have your lock nut washer. This is 17 millimeter, I believe. Yes. 17. Let's go. First, we're going to start off with these. And if you got two people to help you, that'll be perfect. But it's just me at the moment. Set it like this. On each side. Let's start with one side, and then we'll do the other. You set this up like that. So remember, all the holes go in the bottom. The ones with the two holes are on top. Do both nuts. There you go. Washer nut. and just snug them down. Don't tighten them yet. Then you grab your base section report, bolt, washer. Do the same thing for the top. Do the same for the other side. Base section report. Right there. Bolt. There. Washer. There you go. Do the same for the other side. And just snug them down. Remember, don't tighten them, just snug them. Because we'll tighten everything after we have everything on. So there you go. We got one post on. And now let's do the exact same thing to the other side. Then washer. Watch that. Same thing for the top. Well, this is how she's looking now. Just like that. Now let's move on. Then you just grab your dowels. Slide one right there. That easy. Slide the other one right there. Just like that. Grab this post. I'm gonna slide it through. There you go. And then have your big bolts ready. These are 15/16 socket. You got your washer, lock nut, and the nut. Have these two ready. Grab your bean. Let's start with one side. Slide it all through. And now you can start putting the other two. There's your washer, your lock washer, the nut for all four. So remember, it's a 15/16 socket. Hold the back side, snug them down. There you go, guys. Slowly but surely, she's forming. Remember, all the nuts and bolts just snug. Then once we're done with the assembly, we can tighten them all down. Now grab your springs. And you're gonna hook them right there. One side and the other side. Okay, guys, then you grab these. And then you're gonna slide them on in there. So there, slide it in there. Screw it on. I'll leave them about like that. Do the same for the other side. Okay, slide in the hole like so, and then do the same exact size like that for both. One plate, you're gonna have a longer side and a shorter side. The longer side goes to the front. You're gonna angle it like this and like that and put them on the hooks. And let it go. Just like that. Just like that. Grab the bottle jack. There you go. Line the holes. But then comes with these two. They're 5mm. Actually, I'm sorry, 6mm hex head. One goes in the front, one goes in the back. There you go. Snug them down. Now she's fully assembled. Let's start tightening down all the bolts now. And there you go, guys. It's all complete. It's all done. Ready to use. Look at that. It's actually pretty nice. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Because I was going to buy a Cadillac, but that didn't go well. I was going to slam these 13s on them. But they got to go somewhere, so we're going to go put them on the PT Cruiser. Why? I don't know why. But just stay tuned. See you guys. I almost forgot, guys. The final piece of the puzzle. Stickers. There you go. One for the other side. go. Now it's shop ready. Well, actually home ready. I'm gonna keep this in my house. There it is. Final pieces of the puzzle. Now it's home ready. Alright guys, see you guys on the next video.